You are watching Kit Kabinet, and this is the inbox review of the Hasegawa Nakajima Ki-44 Shoki in 1/72 scale. Now here we have this neat little kit from the early 70s. It's practically ancient, but let's have a look inside. So here are the main sprues. Let's have a quick closer look. And we see very finely recessed panel lines, and that for a kit that's over 45 years old. This is a very nice model considering its age. Here's the parts and the engine here. Yeah, it looks very good. It's still very nice after all those years. But there's of course a catch. There's hardly any interior to speak of. This thing is supposed to... This thing has a sort of bathtub as its interior, which looks very Spartan and very basic. Now the cockpit opening itself isn't very wide, so there's hardly anything to see, especially if you mount the pilot figure as well. Then you won't miss too much, but well, you could add a little bit of extra detail. And that's also with the wheel wells. The wheel wells are very shallow and they have some detail, but it's very basic. And also the outer space for the legs here has no interior detail at all. The Transparencies, two canopies to choose from. Unfortunately, they have a lot of distortion. They're very clear, but they distort quite a lot. But at this scale, well, you could consider a vac form canopy or just ignore it. The decal sheet, looking very good. Hinomaru seem a little bit out of register, but it's passable. Instructions, a very straightforward build. And your painting schemes, sprue map, and the usual story. So, despite its age, still a very good kit, and that for €7 I paid for this thing.